I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get gamma in Minecraft Bedrock. Gamma essentially dictates how bright your game appears, especially in low-light conditions. A higher gamma setting can illuminate dark caves and shadowy corners, making exploration significantly easier and safer. It helps you spot hidden dangers and resources without relying solely on torches or other light-emitting blocks. Understanding this setting is key to a more comfortable gameplay experience. Unlike the Java edition of Minecraft, Bedrock Edition does not include a specific gamma slider in its video settings. This means you cannot directly adjust a gamma value to brighten your world. Instead, Bedrock relies on its general brightness setting, which functions differently. Players often find this a significant difference when transitioning between the two versions, requiring alternative methods to achieve similar visual clarity in dark environments. To brighten your Bedrock world, first navigate to your video settings and maximize the in-game brightness slider. This is your primary control within the game itself. Additionally, you can adjust your device's display brightness through its system settings. This will affect everything on your screen, not just Minecraft. For temporary solutions, remember that placing torches or consuming a night vision potion can significantly improve visibility in dark areas for several minutes. For a more permanent solution, consider using specific resource packs or add-ons. Many community-created packs are designed to simulate a higher gamma by altering how light and shadows are rendered. These can make dark blocks appear lighter, effectively brightening your environment without changing core game mechanics. Always ensure you download these packs from trusted sources to maintain game security and stability. There are hundreds of options available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.